yet perfectly found. No peak yet, just a sound.